Let's talk about how the Databricks AI Dev Kit and Claude Code in VSCode can completely change the way you develop in Databricks. In this demo, I'll show you how these tools work together to supercharge your development workflow, accelerate documentation, and even plan and generate full analytic projects, all powered by AI. First, let's start with the Databricks AI Dev Kit itself. This toolkit, available on GitHub from the Databricks field engineering team, extends your local DevOps and coding environment into Databricks by providing coding agents, MCP servers, and pre-configured skills you can use alongside AI tools like Claude Code or GitHub Copilot or Cursor. It's designed to help you write Databricks notebooks in SQL, manage clusters, document datasets, and interact with Unity Catalog, all through conversational AI. Beyond that, it can also help you generate and manage other assets like AI BI genies, dashboards, pipelines, and metrics views, giving you a truly end-to-end development and analytics experience powered by intelligent automation. Now let's walk through the setup and prerequisites you'll need before using the kit. You'll start by installing a few dependencies with pip. You'll need UV, Databricks CLI, and also upgrade pip or other install requirements as needed. Once installed, you can verify your installations with UV, Python, or Databricks version commands. Next, you'll need to create a Databricks authentication profile. Start by running Databricks configure and add a profile name, your Databricks workspace URL, and a personal access token, which you can get from your Databricks workspace in the developer settings section. Then use Databricks auth profiles to confirm the profile was created successfully. You can also make sure everything's connected correctly by listing your clusters with the Databricks clusters list command. Now that we're connected, let's go ahead and run the AI Dev Kit install command. This will launch an interactive installer that checks for prerequisites and prompts you to update any that are missing. It will also automatically detect your AI code assistant like Claude Code or GitHub Copilot and configure accordingly. When prompted, select the Databricks profile you just created. Next, choose the installation scope. This can be global or project level. For this demo, I'll select project level. Then specify an installation path, which will include the MCP servers, skills, and configuration files. Once the setup completes, you'll see confirmation that the AI Dev Kit was installed successfully and is ready to use. Now we can start working directly with the AI Dev Kit in VSCode using Claude Code. Let's start with something practical. I'll ask Claude to list all catalogs and schemas available in my sandbox environment and provide a brief description of each table and column. Claude generates the output and saves it in a markdown file. Now that's incredibly powerful because now I have a complete data catalog document that I can use as context for future development, or I can publish it directly to Confluence using the Atlassian MCP integration to keep business documentation easily accessible and well formatted. Alright, let's look at another example. In my bronze schema, within the sandbox catalog, the tables and columns currently have no descriptions. This is a great use case for Claude. So I'll ask Claude in VS Code to automatically update each table and column with meaningful sentence-based descriptions. Claude detects that there are 17 tables needing updates and uses the comment on table command to apply the new documentation. At the end, it confirms that all updates were successful, except for 5 streaming and materialized views which don't support comment commands. To verify, I'll head back into Databricks, and sure enough, all the expected tables now have complete table and column descriptions, all generated and applied in under 60 seconds. Now, let's take it a step further with something more advanced. This time, I'll ask Claude to create a comprehensive plan for an end-to-end analytics project built on my existing medallion architecture for the bakehouse franchise data. Here's what the request involves at a high level. A Lakeflow Declarative Pipeline. It automatically creates a new Lakeflow pipeline that pulls in my bronze tables, enriches the data in silver, and then aggregates insights into gold, combining customer, order, and franchise data, classifying reviews, and calculating performance metrics all in one flow. From there, Claude defines metrics views in Unity Catalog for the key KPIs like recurring revenue, average order value, customer retention, and overall franchise performance. It even sets up an AI BI Genie Space that connects directly to these goal tables, giving analysts a conversational way to explore business trends and customer behavior. Finally, I'm going to ask it to build a ready-to-use dashboard that visualizes everything: revenue trends by region, franchise performance by sentiment, product mix summaries, customer segments, and supplier coverage. With just one command, Claude generates the entire plan. I now have a complete data-driven analytics solution plan automatically planned and generated from start to finish. After processing the request, Claude delivers a full project blueprint and creates the necessary assets. When I switch back to Databricks, I can see everything that's been built: a new bakehouse analytics schema with materialized and metrics views, a Lakeflow pipeline that has already been executed, a dashboard with all the relevant KPIs, and a well-structured Genie space containing curated data and sample queries, all ready for business users. This is the power of combining the Databricks AI Dev Kit with Claude Code in VSCode. It's not just about accelerating coding. It's about transforming the way we plan, build, and operationalize analytics, from generating documentation and enriching metadata to creating pipelines, dashboards, and AI spaces, all in a matter of minutes. This workflow truly represents the next generation of intelligent development on Databricks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.